Tired of the seemingly endless increase in gas prices? Does your car cannot provide you maximum fuel efficiency? Or you want smoother, cleaner drive for a total enhanced engine performance? Think again. The Hydro Octane Booster is here. Hydro Octane Booster is a device that boosts and expands the molecular structure of a fuel, either diesel or gasoline, equipped with built-in heat exchanger, electromagnetic flux generator, and a catalytic converter that reduces fuel consumption and increases Tired of the seemingly endless increase in gas prices? Does your car cannot provide you maximum fuel efficiency? Or you want smoother, cleaner drive for a total enhanced engine performance? Think again. The Hydro Octane Booster is here. Hydro Octane Booster is a device that boosts and expands the molecular structure of a fuel, either diesel or gasoline, equipped with built-in heat exchanger, electromagnetic flux generator, and a catalytic converter that reduces fuel consumption and increases power through combustion. HOB heats up the fuel and vaporizes it using the engine's wasted heat so that the fuel will burn and ignite faster, thus increasing fuel efficiency and eliminating wasted fuel and power. Amazingly, it reverses and aligns the molecular structure of fuel before it is burned, thereby increasing octane performance from regular gas and adds power to diesel fuels. Since fuel is completely burned, it cleans the combustion system and reduces destructive carbons and varnish residues that clog the pistons, chambers, carburetors, and the injectors. It likewise reduces emissions, resulting to cleaner exhaust. So if you're batting for cleaner exhaust emission, enhanced engine performance, and fuel savings of up to 30%, the Hydro Octane Booster is for you. Compared to other fuel-saving devices, HOB works for both gas and diesel engines. It does not alter the air-fuel ratio, absolutely zero maintenance, plus a lifetime guarantee. You can even install it in less than an hour.
Due to the non-stop oil price hike throughout the world, a Filipino inventor, Mr. Glenn Castillo, invented the HOB or the Hydro Octane Booster to alleviate the economic crisis. HOB works as an onboard fuel vaporizer, and unlike other fuel savers, HOB is good for gasoline and diesel as well. Having HOB on your car lets you save 30% on your gas consumption for city driving and 70% on highway driving. And not only that, it also improves the power of your car through fuel expansion, so it's a wise saving.
HOB or Hydro Octane Booster sets the next level in total performance, not just efficiency but serious performance in technology and innovation.
A known Pinoy inventor and innovator, Mr. Castillo considers HOB as one of his best creations.
The difference of this product to other fuel-saving devices, we are using thermodynamics, fuel expansion, and onboard vaporizer.
Si Glenn Castillo ay tinuturing ko na isa sa mga pinakabata at pinakamahusay na inventor na Pilipino. Pinili ko siya na maging kaibigan at samahan at makapag-contribute man ako sa kanyang mga ginagawang mga inventions in terms of yung mga inputs na binibigay ko sa kanya, no? Dahil sa ang isang inventor na katulad niya, gusto niya merong kausap, gusto niya merong ka-jamming, gusto niya merong tinatanong at sumasagot din naman. Si Glenn ay isang electronics and communications engineer at nakapag-aral siya sa Japan. Ganun din, nagpunta siya sa Korea, and has done a lot of mga inventions and reverse engineering of how things really work.
Itong invention ni ating Glenn Castillo. Alam mo itong hydroctane na to, nakikita mo, napaka-simple lang ng pagkakagawa. Pero napakaganda rin ng performance na may bibigay sa ating mga sasakyan, lalo na sa diesel, sa gasolina, hindi na mimili. So 100% ginagarantiyahan po namin pagka Pinoy inventor, number 1.
One thing for certain about this hub or hydroctane booster, this very special fuel saving device. Ang kaibahan nito, kinagalingan nito, sa lahat ng mga lumabas ngayong mga fuel saving device, ito lamang ang hindi nakikialam sa fuel-air mixture ng makina. Alam mo yung kasing fuel-air mixture ng makina, factory fine-tuned din eh. Hindi mo dapat pakialaman yan. Kaya ang kagalingan nitong hub or hydroctane booster ay nasa labas siya ng makina at tinitimpla lang niya yung fuel na papasok doon sa makina for perfect combustion. Yun ang kinagaling nito. Maganda ang preparasyon ginagawa, ini-expand niya through electronic, magnetic, and mechanical processes. Pero hindi niya pinakakalaman ng fuel-air mixture. Kaya perfect ang combustion, malakas ang power, malinis ang emission ng engine, pero walang diferensya sa air intake.
Bali, inintroduce sa akin ng isa kong teammate, si Vic Malyari. Medyo gumanda yung idling ng makina ko eh. Compare sa dati, mas okay ngayon.
Kakaiba yung lakas niya compared sa dati. Kasi actually, automatic lang yung kotse ko eh. But I can manage to win races. Maybe with this. Pang-araw-araw pa.
After niya daw magpakabit ng hub,
nakatipid ako ng almost 40% sa fuel. Lumakas pa.
Damit namin yung inventor ng hydroctane booster last November. Nandun kami sa may Caltex. Nakita namin na may kinakausap siya. So, lumapit kami sa kanya, dalawa kami magkasama. Nakita namin yung sinasabi niya sa amin, so sinubukan namin yung unit. Nagpa-install kami. Nung pag-alis namin, naramdaman namin talagang iba yung pagbabago ng mga sasakyan namin. Yung sasakyan ko is Tamaraw FX, medyo luma na yung dating. Pero nung in-install yung gadget na yan, yung device na yan, nag-iba yung takbo niya. Nakarandam pa ako ng yung pagtitipid. Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng message mo, ganda ng dating.
Ito kasing banet, kilala naman natin na medyo malakas sa gasolina ito, no? After nung niyan, siguro yung normal consumption ko dito, mga 6 kilometers per liter lang. Pero nung kinabitan ko, maabot ako ng 9. City driving.
City driving.
Oo, 9 kilometers per liter. Basta naglalaro siya between 8 and 9. Lumakas yung yung mapapansin mo doon sa boost nung nung power. Mapapansin mo na mas medyo lumakas siya ng mga 30% to 35%.
I got a Jag. It's a 2.5 V6 engine X series. Before, nung wala pa ang HOB, sa traffic condition, it eats around 3.5 to 4 liters. Nung may HOB na siya, naging 5 to 5.5. Sa highway driving, it goes up to 7 to 8 kilometers to a liter. And the best thing is that yung 3 years warranty ng Jag, binigay pa rin, okay pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Yo, peep the style and the kids checking for it. The number one question is how could you ignore it? We drop right back in the cut, over basement tracks with raps that got you backing us up like rewind that. We're just rolling with the rhythm, rise from the ashes of stylistic division. With these non-stop lyrics of life living, not to be forgotten but still unforgiven. But in the meantime, there are those who wanna talk this and that. So I suppose that it gets to a point where feelings gotta get hurt and get dirty with